Hi guys, I'm back and it is time to open up our fall 2021 FabFitFun box. So I was able to pick all of my options, but that was so long ago that I don't remember, as usual. With that being said, I know there's been a lot of people who have not been super thrilled about the items in this box, and I do remember at the time of picking that I was like, I don't know about this one, but let's go ahead and dive on in and see if I've changed my mind picking these. If you're unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal box where you get a bunch of items that are, seasonally appropriate. And recently they've come up with all sorts of different membership levels so you can decide how many items you want to choose or not. It does come with a little catalog with each box, and that does show you different articles. It'll give you one spoiler for the next box. It'll also show you the monetary value of each item and give you maybe a little bio, and I can't find it in here for some reason. Normally it's like the first page or two. Maybe did they get rid of that? Oh, look, there's a recipe for apple crumble. It also gives you like ideas of how to use your products. Why? Okay, well, normally I like to reference this while I'm opening my box sometimes to figure out what I picked and why, but this is fine. This is fine. Anyways, we'll just ignore that, I guess. Here is a little coupon for your $15 off your first FabFitFun box. If you're interested in that, comment down below. I'll put the code out there. It'll be a first come, first serve. Ooh, this is fun. So this is a coupon for Bright Cellars. It is a curated wine box subscription, and this is $60 off. We did try Bright Cellars. I'll try to remember to link that video down below. It is something that if I drank enough wine to rationalize the cost of it, I would totally be for. I just don't drink a whole lot of alcohol these days, but I did very much enjoy Bright Cellars. So again, if you're interested in a $60 off credit towards your first box, let me know, comment down below. Otherwise, let's start getting into some of these products. So this first product is by MAD Skincare, and MAD stands for Maximum Active Dermaceuticals, and it is the salicylic cleansing gel. It says that it is enriched with oil controlling botanicals, has deep cleansing action, infused with Trinity tea complex, willow bark, eucalyptus, ginger, and aloe vera, sulfate and paraben free. So this is what the box looks like. I will go ahead and open up this bad boy and smell it. If I remember correctly, they had 3 different types of cleansers. One was for acne prone skin, one was for like sensitive, and one was for like anti-aging. And I chose the acne prone since I am acne prone. I am almost 30. I'm dealing with acne still. And if someone had told this to teenage me, I would have been a little upset. Ooh, it has a tea tree smell. I love tea tree scented items. So I'll make sure to give that a good trial and let you guys know. See this next product. Oh, so I think this is actually a repeat product that they had in one of their boxes within the last year that I didn't originally choose, and I was a little disappointed about it, and I must not have been super thrilled about the other objects in this category, but these are hammered copper canister sets. And I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and give this another. Oh, maybe this is not what I'm thinking of. Why does this not look like what I'm thinking of? Maybe this is just the packaging making that look different than what I'm thinking of. Oh no, this is what I'm thinking of. It was the packaging. So yeah, and then I'm guessing there's another one inside. There is another one inside of here. They have these like Russian nesting dolls in here. But anyways, I saw other people do their FabFitFun unboxings, and I was like, ooh, maybe I should have gotten those, because I was just worried they were going to be too small. But I realized these would be great for storing objects like Q-tips and other just skincare, or like cotton balls or something right on your vanity or right on your bathroom counter. So I am pretty happy about these, but I know a lot of people are a little salty that this is technically a repeat item. I know a lot of people have been salty whenever FabFitFun has been doing that, when they do offer repeat items, because they're like, no, I want something novel. I want something new. Oh, here's another coupon. It is $100 off, including free shipping to Green Chef. So this is a new one. I'm intrigued. What are the... Okay, here's the fine print. You have to split that $100 off across 4 weeks, but you get free shipping on your first box. I don't know about Green Chef. I've never tried it. I am guessing it is like HelloFresh, but yeah, I don't know. But it looks like their thing is that it's all organic and it's sustainable. So I'm intrigued. I used to do Blue Apron back in the day, loved it, and then came to the realization it was not sustainable on my budget. But I did love it. Moving on. Oh, okay. I was not super thrilled about the objects in this, or the items to pick from in this category, but this looked like this would be the most practical and would make the most sense. So this is an all-purpose backpack that folds up into a bag like this, and then you can unzip it and it'll turn into, I guess, a normal size backpack. I thought this might be good for trips. Plus, I am a sucker for leopard print items. I did not think this would be that big of a backpack, and I don't know, let's see. How do I open these? Oh, that's where I see now, I see. Okay, so actually, this holds a decent amount of items. It looks like it is at least water resistant, if not waterproof. And it's pretty cute. I'm interested about durability, but we'll have to give this a try. But I am mad about this. Again, wasn't super thrilled, I think, with most of the objects in that category. And if it was listed in the catalog, I would remember what other objects were in that category, but it's fine. I'm not bitter. This next item I thought was really, really fun. These are after dinner food drink trivia cards. So the idea is it's just like a little game to play with whoever you're having dinner with, now that people are doing that again. Inside is a box of different cards, so you can play with your friends, just random trivia ones. So let's go ahead and look at one of these right now. It says, this question is, according to a survey by the American Pie Council, which flavor of pies is the USA's favorite? So I already saw the answer, obviously, because the answer is right underneath it, but it says it's apple and that pumpkin comes in second. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that statement down below. What is your favorite pie flavor? But anyways, I thought these would be fun. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this inside of FabFitFun before, but moving on, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh wait, we have something else in here. It is a coupon for Nourish by Nature Made. It says, for over 50 years, we've known good begins within. It's the personalized vitamins that you can get. But otherwise, it is a 50% off your first month coupon. I will not be using this. If you want that info down below, just let me know. I am a little distracted, Sophie did just come in the room. So I'm like, oh, hi, are you gonna grace us with your presence? She talked to me. Anyways, this next item is a day cream by Ren Clean Skincare. It's Evercalm. It is a global protection day clean, or day cream. And it says here, clean to skin, clean to planet, that it nourishes and combats skin discomfort. So this is what the box looks like. I do want to give this a good sniff just because I'm always interested. And interestingly enough, this looks like it is a pump bottle. I'm sorry, Sophie's doing the cute thing where she rubs her face on a box. And I'm weak. Yeah, I'm weak, kitty. I can't help it. Anyways, so let's go ahead and see what this is about. Just has like a nice clean scent. Nothing... It does have a little bit of fragrance, I can tell. but nothing that is too harsh or overpowering. This is not one of the items that I picked, but I don't know if I'm mad about it. It is a Dove Advanced Care deodorant. It is a dry spray. So I do know sometimes they just throw little things in your box as well. This is definitely not something I picked. I would have been annoyed if this was one of my options, but it does say it is TSA approved. So I think this means you can carry it on with you. So that's kind of cool. Little carry on spray deodorant. I don't think I've ever tried spray deodorant before. This next item, I'm not sure what it is because of the packaging, but we shall know in a minute. Let's see. Is this alcohol? Did they send me alcohol? I think they said, okay, it's not alcohol. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. You guys can figure out why I'm confused. It says, try Heineken 0.0 alcohol, 100% taste. What? They sent me non-alcoholic beer. I'm sorry, what? I have questions. What? What screams that this is the demographic for a FabFitFun box, non-alcoholic beer? Okay, you know what, we're gonna set this aside. Mike and I will get a good laugh out of that, I think, about trying that. And then we will look at our last product, which I have some concerns over because the box looks like it's leaking, but it's a candle, so I don't know why the box looks like it had some product leak on to it, because this is the last item. Oh shoot, maybe it melted. I think this is what happened. This box was sitting in my car for a hot minute, and it's Texas, and we've still been hitting like 90-degree days. So it looks like some of the wax melted, and that's why that box had that look. But shockingly, actually, it doesn't seem like the whole candle is messed up. If I can just get through this plastic bag. 1 minute. I can tell you that it already smells amazing. It smells like a perfect fall scent. Okay. So, despite all that, the candle looks intact. Did it have a top to it or no? It did not have a top to it. So, yeah, there's some just like random wax around that I'll need to clean up, but otherwise this is a Moroccan spice candle. That being said, I think it smells like a little bit of a pumpkin spice candle. So again, maybe I should remember the items that I picked, but I really like this candle. It smells really, really nice. But with that being said, I think that was the last item in my fall 2021 FabFitFun box. With that being said, I feel like I know I was underwhelmed when I picked the items for this box, but I'm pretty happy with everything I got overall. I'm a little confused by some of the items in here that I did not pick. But otherwise, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, you're staying cool, you're maybe even bundling up with a nice chunky sweater, hopefully at this point. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube recommend my video to other people, such as liking and sharing and subscribing, and maybe I can get Sophie to make an appearance in this video. Hi, come here. Come here. Who's this? We haven't seen Sophie in so long. No, you don't want to. She's over it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there.